is just keep sharing. So let's be a little bit more clear about just keep sharing. I don't want you to just be screaming from the rooftops what you do and who you are. Like, I want you to be a little more specific about that. So I do want you to take some time to think about, like, who are you trying to reach, right? Like, who are these people that you're like, if only they knew that I can help them, that what I provide can actually make a difference in their world. Who are they? What do they do? Where are they at, right? Then go and specifically share to where they're listening. But you can't just share at one time and go, oh, no one listened. Guess what? Guess how long I've been talking about so many of the things that I do. Do you know how many people who are on my email list go, hey, what's this agency thing you have? Literally, I've been emailing about it for 18 months. And people on my email list who I know open those emails are like, what is this? So that tells me a couple of things. Either I'm not actually explaining it really well, which I would say towards the end, I definitely know I am. So that can't be it. Two, they just have so much to hear. There's so much for them to listen to. So you have to continue to share what it is you want people to hear regularly. Find different ways to say the same thing. So that way, when it's time for the person to hear the message, they hear it. If you share it just once in a blue moon and you're like, no one cares, must not be a good idea. If you care, then it is a good idea. If it's something that's like burning within you, then you need to do it. And I want your people to find it, and I want your people to find you, but you have to keep sharing, okay? So, who are you gonna share your vision with? Who are you gonna tell that you can help? Write those people's names down today, write those groups' names down today, and then write a plan for how you're actually going to reach them the next 7 days. Try it, and then you can repeat it, right? You'll start to see what messages are ticking, and then you can repeat those. All right, can't wait to hear what you share next. See you next week, and make sure you subscribe to these so you never miss a video from me.